Wheelchair angles for dummies. I'm going to explain this concept that confuses even the most experienced clinicians and the most experienced product reps. We're going to go through the wheelchair angles on the base, the backrest, and the leg rest. And the leg rest is the one that's the most confusing. It's not your fault. It's because we as an industry just say it wrong. So let's go through it. When we're talking about the seat base, this is what's considered 0 degrees, meaning that the seat base is at the bottom here. As we go into, say, a little bit of tilt like this, then the 0 from here comes up as we go up. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this goes up to say about 30 degrees. If someone's in all the way amount of tilt, then this would be like 45 degrees. So it goes from 0, as you go up, you get more and more tilt from there. 0, 30, 45. Great. Backrest, this is considered a 90-degree backrest, meaning from here to here is 90 degrees. As you recline the backrest like this is typically what you'd see. Maybe this is like a 120. So we have 90 plus 10 plus 20 plus 30, and then we get to 120 degrees. So from here to here is a 120 degree backrest. So backrest will usually sit at about like 100 degrees, somewhere around that, like a little bit of recline. But if you go full supine like this is what's considered a 180 degrees, because we have 90 plus 90, and that's how we get 180 degrees. Now this is where it gets confusing, because you would think here that this is 90 degrees. So as the legs go up, let's say they go up like this, you would think, oh, it's 90 plus more. So 90, 100, 110. This, an angle leg rest like this should be 110, but it's not. It's not. Let's think about it with manual wheelchairs. Usually you can get the option of a 90 degree hanger, or you can get a 80 degree hanger, or a 70 degree hanger, or a 60 degree hanger is really sticking it out. But that doesn't make any logical sense. It really should be 90 degrees or 100 degrees. So what we call as an 80 degree hanger, which is what this is. So if one's like that, that is an 80 degree hanger. Really, it should be 110 degrees, because it's from the seat base. From there, we're 90 plus more. But that's not what we do. But this is where it gets really tricky. If we're talking about elevating leg rest, yeah, all of a sudden we change the rules and we're like, oh yeah, this is 180 degrees of leg rest elevation. But then it just doesn't make sense, because wait, are we doing, is it 90 plus 90, 180? So that makes sense? No, it's the 90 is coming from here, and we're closing, the 90 is coming from here, and we're closing the angle, so it's getting shorter. So from there is 90 degrees, but then as we go here, it becomes 80, 70. So really this should be 0 degrees, but it's not. It's all so confusing. So what does this mean for you? Tilt, we all agree. As it tilts more, the degree gets higher. Recline, we all agree. As the backrest reclines more, the number gets higher. This, I would say, just follow the rules of our system. When we're talking about 80 degree hanger, it just means 90 plus a little bit more. We talk about 70, we go higher and higher and higher. And for whatever reason, when you're ordering elevating leg rest, you either get 170 degree elevating leg rest or 180 degree. That is actually the proper term, but it doesn't coincide with this one. It's a bit confusing, but hopefully that made wheelchair angles for dummies make more sense.